the numbers that we call Arabic numbers in the West are Indian numbers, and the Arabs get them from the Indians. We get them from the Arabs, which is why we call them Arabic numbers, but their place of origin is India. And at a time when in Europe you're still getting long multiplication with MCVVXV1 times MCVVV1.
Does my head in just thinking about it.
The Indians have got 10 symbols, one of which is 0, which makes it all much easier. And they've got decimal place value and tens, 100,000, tens of thousands, and all this sort of stuff. And those ideas spread first to the Arab world. By a stroke of luck, the first viziers in Baghdad are former Buddhists who are Sanskrit literate and know all this stuff. And these guys, they're a family called the Barmakids, send a mission to Sind, and in 776, the Sind Raja, who wants peace with this enormous, very fierce empire, sends the works of Brahmagupta, who's this early Indian mathematician. It seems to be a sort of compilation of 2 of his books, which the Arabs call the Sind Hind. And this becomes the basis for Islamic maths and astronomy. It's simplified and clarified by a genius called Al-Khwarizmi. Al-Khwarizmi is from what is now northern Uzbekistan. And he writes a book which has a long, unwieldy title of the Book of Indian Mathematics According to Completion and Balancing. Now, that's too much of a mouthful in any language.
Sounds like a real page-turner.
and so it gets known very widely as algebra, from which we get the word algebra. And his name, Al-Khwarizmi, the man from Khwarazm, which is Khiva, northern Uzbekistan, becomes the basis, Al-Khwarizmi becomes the basis for our word algorithm.